Visit the Unity documentation website at docs.unity.com and click the button under Scripting Reference. Click to expand Unity Engine, then Unity Engine.accessibility, then Classes, and finally Vision Utility. Click this link to open the documentation for Get Colorblind Safe Palette. Here, we are going to create a colorblind palette for easy use within the editor. Highlight and copy this code using Ctrl-C on Windows and Command-C on Mac. Alternatively, you can right-click and select Copy. Next, open your project in Unity. Create a new C# script in your scripts folder and name it Color Swatch Example, then open the script by double-clicking on it. The script will open in your preferred editor. Highlight everything in the script with Ctrl-A on Windows and Command-A on Mac. Press Ctrl-V on Windows and Command-V on Mac to paste the script you copied previously. Save the script and go back to Unity. Under the Windows menu item, you will find an added option Color Swatch Example. Click to open this and dock the window somewhere you prefer. To test the color swatch example, we are going to create 2 cubes and 2 materials. Now, you can use the color picker on materials to select the colors from the color swatch example, then we can apply these materials to our game objects.